What is up, Pearsoners? Welcome back to a brand new video. I don't know if I'm talking about because I got some earmuffs on and chilling. We got Deacon here, Jackson's little brother, and we're eating stuff off the shelf and in front of employees because you guys wanted that on the last video. I told you guys if you guys wanted to do it, here we are. And Jackson and what's the other kid's name?
Trenton.
They're going to go buy the stuff right now because we won't get in trouble, and see you guys when we're eating the stuff off the shelf.
It's not good? What if it's stale?
If you opened it.
Really?
What if it's been stale for a while?
I guarantee you it's not stale.
Should we just go buy it?
Yes. Either that or leave the store because there's been customer complaints as well as employee complaints.
We actually bought it.
See the receipt?
Yes, sir. Here, hold this.
See the UPC. All right.
Got him! Got him!
Hang on to that.
Yeah.
All right.
All right.
See you, sir.
I try to have my phone to record. Let's go, boys. Let's go, baby.
Joogsquad.
Like, he can record on the
Oh, they're right there. They're right there.
Oh, bro.
Oh, great. Should we just walk around? This is awkward.
Bro, it'd be funny. So I just walk up, like, to where these are, and fucking, like, put it back, and then just, like, walk by and be like, these look fucking good. Just open it.
Yeah, but that's the
people. Oh, just, like, in front of random.
Yes.
Yeah.
Because that's easier. That's easier.
In front of, like, random people?
Yeah. Alright, let's do it.
Dude, he freaking was kind of cheese.
What?
He was a little cheese.
Are you all planning the store, making a mess?
No?
What?
No.
Are you all here making a mess in the store?
No, no.
Well, I'm getting complaints about you all. So if I keep getting complaints, I will escort you all up out of here.
Alright. We're just eating.
Did you all pay for that?
Yeah. You want the receipt?
I do.
Do you want some?
Do you like I want some?
I'm
Here.
asking you that.
I don't want any of your candy or cookies.
Well, I mean, it's fresh.
You want to see it?
Okay. If I get another complaint, you all just have to go.
Alright.
Sorry.
Good job, boys. We almost got kicked out.
I know, we almost just got the casino.
Yeah, cool.
Oh, they're fucking following
Dude,
us.
they are following us.
Dude, they're scared.
Cheesed.
Cheese chins, huh?
Can you even touch?
Excuse me, sir? Yes. Would you like Oreos? Huh? Would you like to try some Oreos?
No, I'm fine.
Do you want to try some Oreos?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I'm diabetes.
Oh, I'm sorry,
Thank
sir.
you. I appreciate it, man. Thank
Yeah.
you.
You're welcome.
Thanks, dude.
I'm so respectful.
You want one? Take another one for the road. Put one in your pocket. Just.
No, just put it in your pocket, man.
Yeah, dude. You gotta
You're
just.
gonna get hungry.
Yeah, you just gotta slip it in.
Hey,
And
I got
for
you.
later, dude. Yeah.
Alright, bro.
Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a big thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, that means you should subscribe now. Join the PDTV fam now. Make sure to hit that bell icon to be notified every time I post a brand new video or go live on YouTube. Guys, bangers coming soon. We got hide and seek in the library. We got Xbox in the library. We got a vlog coming out Thursday. We got a Q&A coming out tomorrow. If you guys want to be a fan of the day like Kayla, follow me on my social media studios. Shout out to Kayla right here. Go follow her, give her a follow. I'll put her link in the description, and I'll catch you guys tomorrow with a brand new video. Don't forget to stay positive, live life to the fullest every single day, and I'll catch you guys later. Peace!